Alright, so now we are going to see the shortcuts available in IntelliJ. So if you want to go and type the complete main method, you just have to type main, hit enter on your keyboard, and you'll see the public static void main will appear automatically. Also, if the other option you can do is write the complete public static void main like this, and string types of string args. So you can do this way as well, but to save a lot of time, you can just stop this one and type in main, and you'll get this method here. Secondly, I'm gonna give you another shortcut, like to type this System.out.println, where you wanna print anything on your computer and on the console, in fact. So you can see this way you can write the complete System.out.println, and it will print here hello for you. But if you really wanted to make or if you wanted to use a shortcut, so here you can do s out all in small and hit enter, so it will appear automatically and let's run this just to verify. Alright, as you can see, automatically is here. So this is another shortcut which you can do on IntelliJ. I'll make another video for a different IDE, how we can use these basic shortcuts, and I'll make another video where I can bring more features about the IntelliJ. And thank you so much for watching. Tune in.